All right, so if I have 49x squared minus 16, how do I factor that? Well, first and foremost, what does that look like? That is a difference of squares. So remember the pattern for the difference of squares is a squared minus b squared is equal to what? Can somebody tell me what goes in here? I'll do the first one, a plus b. What goes in the next one? A plus b and then a minus b. So, and the way that I can factor this is I just got to think to myself, what is the square root of 49x squared? What do you guys think it is? It is just 7x, right? Because remember, 7x squared is 7x times 7x, which is what? 49. 7 times 7 is 49, and then x times x is x squared. So this would be like my a term, a plus, what's the square root of 16? 4. Now what do I put in the next set of parentheses? 7x minus 4. That is it. So if you recognize this pattern, it'll help you out a lot, but you got to think about the square roots and stuff, right?